Hey guys, I'm Makayla Jade and I am so excited to show you one of my favorite new features of the Fundy Designer version 10 software, Theater Mode. With this new feature, you will be able to create beautiful designs in a simpler, easier way so that you can show them off to your clients in your in-person sale or your virtual sales and make more money in less amount of time. Now, in order to use this feature, it's actually super simple. When you're in your view mode, you can easily pop open each spread by spread, and by hitting the tab key, it'll automatically throw you into theater mode where you can see the beautiful designs blown up and eliminate all the other distracting elements for your clients so that all they're focused on is adjusting the album and making the perfect tweaks as you go. The other added benefit of Theater Mode is using the comparison tool to select all the images that you want your clients to choose from, and then you can easily remove all the distractions so that they're able to focus on just narrowing down exactly what they want. I'm really excited for these new features to not only make the designing process so much easier on us and our team, but to also make the selection process so much easier for our clients and really elevate the client experience.